Hello guys, welcome to the First Nigeria YouTube channel. So today we want to see how we can install the Brave browser. The Brave browser is a very popular browser recently, especially for its focus on security and privacy. It is based on Chromium. Chromium is the open source version of the Chrome browser. So it is based on the Chromium code base. So anything you can do on Chrome, you can do it on Brave. And according to their website here, brave.com, it is 3 times faster than Chrome, has a better privacy than Firefox, and use less battery on mobile. So it's also cross-platform, so you can get it on your Android, your iOS, and your Linux and Windows. So you can get it on the major or popular platforms out there to install it. So that's that about that. It's very privacy focused, and out of the box it blocks ads automatically, and it also has a top privacy window. That means it has 2 types of privacy window anyway. It has the normal privacy window where you can just go into incognito mode. Then it has the privacy window that has to do with Tor. So without wasting any time and seeing what we can do with it on a Linux system, let's just go to installing it. So you click on the download Brave. So how to install Brave on Linux. So you just look for the section that has to do with your particular Linux distro. So for us, we are going to be installing it on Ubuntu 20.04. So this is the section that has to deal with that. Debian 9 plus, Ubuntu 16 plus, and Mint 18 plus. But if you have Fedora, OpenSUSE, and all that, you can go to those sections. You can also have a snap version of it, but want to follow the normal Ubuntu recommendation of installation. So these are the commands that we are going to run to get it to install on our system. So we are going to be copying these commands one after the other, and in fact I'm going to add these commands to the description of the video below so that you can just get it from the description instead of coming here. But so let's take the first command and copy it. Then we'll open our terminal. In Ubuntu, that's the shortcut is Control Alternate letter T. So then you paste the command and click on enter. Input your password. My cap lock is off. So it's installing the call. So then you take the second command here and copy it, go to the terminal, paste, and click on enter. Let me expand this a little bit. Okay, then you copy the third command, copy, go to the terminal and paste and click on enter. Okay, I did not copy it properly, so let me copy that again and paste, enter. So then copy the fourth command, paste, enter. So we are updating our software repository. So that's done. Then we can now click on the last command to actually install our browser. So yes, that's why. So the system will start installing it. This will take some time depending on the speed of your internet. So let's just wait for it to get installed. So that is installed. So let's check it out if it has been installed. So let's say Brave. So we have Brave. Open it. I don't want to set it as my default browser. There we have it. Let's go. If you have any bookmarks from previous Brave installation, you can import. So let's just go done. So there we have it. This is our Brave browser. So you can customize it the way you want by going to settings and getting your settings up. So that's just it. Like I always do, I want to go to appearance. I always like the black, the dark. Yes. Yeah. So that's it. There are many settings you can set here. Home button, yes. Bookmark bar, yes. Then wide address bar, no, that's not important. So that's it. That's the basic uh settings we can do now. So if you look at one thing about Brave is that you can register for Brave rewards. That means they pay you for showing you non-intrusive ads. Let me just do a bit of explanation on that. If you look at this home page of this browser here, where you are welcome to start doing anything you want to do with the browser, you find out that their ad, this background is an ad in itself, but it is not obstructing your normal flow of working with your browser. If you click on the ad now, the link, this is the link to the ad, but it is set as a background to your browser and it changes. So, and if you look at, you can do your normal stuff with the browser without actually allowing the ad to disturb you. That's if you are interested, you can click on it. If not, you can also leave it. So that's one thing about Brave. If you look, this is a default wallpaper. If you see now that when we go back home, we do not see that ad again. So it depends on how often that you use the browser. Different ads will be coming up and they will be coming up as background to the browser, not popping up where they obstruct your normal workflow of using the browser. They come as backgrounds, and if you are interested in clicking them or seeing what the ad is all about, you can just click on it. And that's when every time you click on the ad, you get rewarded with tokens and they will be displayed in this part, or in this part of the browser. You'll be seeing how much you are making. You can convert it to US dollars that you draw. So that's it. So that's one beautiful thing about it. For the time that we have used it just now after installation, you find out that it has blocked about 4 trackers and ads. So it is enabled by default. So it's a very beautiful browser that you want to consider. It does everything that Chrome, everything that you can do with Chrome, you can do it with Brave, and that's one beautiful thing about Brave browser. So try it out and leave your comments below and share your experience on how you got it installed on your system. Thank you very much. Please do where to like, share our videos, and also subscribe so that when we produce new content, you will be notified. Thank you very much.